is love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the rental, Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and listen twice, they told me that less is simple. I'm observing in the room, I be flying all on the wall. Open mouth conversations, I leave you all in some awe. Cutting through the noise, I'm hoping I leave a scar. If you don't know where you been, how you knowin' where you are?
Let's cruise in the night, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I'm moving your soul. Through off the time, check my notifications.
Hey fairies, and welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is sponsored by YWIGS, and they sent me over their brand new braiding hair. This is their Burmese deep wave in 24 inches. And it is double drawn, and I got it in the color number 1. So originally I did order 24 inches because I thought in my head I wanted this hairstyle to be long, but I am so happy I ended up doing it shorter. So we just went ahead and cut off the section that we didn't need. My hair is already prepped and ready. I did go ahead and touch up my jet black dye. I do have a tutorial out on my channel if you guys are wondering what jet black dye I use. So make sure you guys go and check that out. So I have gotten the honor of getting my hair braided by Bora Braids. I'm sure if you guys are into braids, you know exactly who Bora Braids is. I will make sure I link her Instagram down below. She is amazing, and it just so happens that she is in Newark, New Jersey. So I was able to get to her. I did end up traveling 2 hours, but listen, it was well worth it. So this is actually a flip over braid hairstyle, and Bora pretty much freestyled the front of my head, and I did get Bohemian braids in the back. When I was watching this footage back, y'all, I was so amazed by their technique and how they do braids. Even when I was getting my hair done, the braids were not tight at all. My head was sore, I'm not gonna lie, at the end of this, but it was not tight to where it felt like my hair was ripping out of my freaking scalp. So if anyone is a visual learner, definitely kind of see what she's doing and obviously replay this video over and over again. This was Bora's first time having any sort of video on YouTube, so let's give a praise to Bora, okay? She did not have to let me record her technique, and she did. I'm super grateful for that, and thank you so much, Bora, if you're watching this video. So basically we just did the whole entire back in Bohemian braids, and the hair from YWIGS is so amazing. I will make sure I leave all the details on the hair down below, but being that I am about 2 weeks with this hairstyle, the curls are still curling. It does not detangle at all for this to be human hair, and it's a quick refresh, which I'm going to be doing later on in the video, so definitely stay tuned.
Better when you mad me, yeah. Love, you got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best.
Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural, without no operation. F my old bitch Tayin', f your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue.
You got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low low-key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes.
This hairstyle ended up being so versatile. I'm able to wear it in the side part, in the middle part, in a ponytail, in a bun, in a low ponytail, in a low bun. I can wear it so many different ways, and I love that because I get very bored with my hair. Hello, y'all see me change my hairstyles about every single week on my channel, but with this hairstyle, I'm able to literally do what I do best, and that's switch my hair up any day on depending how I feel. So she just ended up doing my baby hairs, and then she also wet the hair and got some hairspray in there and just combed out any of the curly sections, and I am honestly obsessed. Bora was so happy with her creation. It came out so bomb, and we definitely had help. It was about 3 girls on my hair. It wasn't just Bora. She definitely has an entire team to make sure I am in and out and can get my braids down in a very sufficient time. But I feel like the hair from YWIGS just really set this entire look off. I felt like the curls matched the hair texture of the braiding hair so bomb. I also feel like the way that Bora curls the ends of her hair honestly matched the curl pattern as well. That was like the finishing touch. It just made this entire look the way that it does because it just looks so neat. Every hair is braided up. There is no stray hairs at all, and my lines are clean. If you guys want to take this to your hair braider for inspo, just screenshot any close-up spots that I do show you guys in the video, and that's really all you'll need because the back is just single braids by themselves.
I just like making deposits. Yeah, you keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up.
So I will be showing you guys a refresh. This is about 4 days later, and it's so crazy because my hair is already growing this fast. It already started to grow a little bit out of the stitch braids, but I am honestly obsessed and I am loving my hair every single day the more and more I see my hair in braids. So I'm gonna do my usual curly hair pattern care routine and take this leave-in curl and cream conditioner that I made. It's just the Mielle curl cream conditioner, and I put that in a water bottle with some hot steaming water. I'm also going to take this oil. This is the black rice oil I got from my nearest beauty supply store. I know they sell them on Amazon, so I'll make sure I link it down below, but this is definitely the cause of my hair growing so fast, so quick while my hair is braided up. I'm trying to get the most out of this protective style as possible because I want my hair to grow longer and longer because eventually I want to start wearing clip-ins. So y'all, this is honestly my favorite thing. I have been telling my girlfriend about this brand because my girlfriend gets braids now too, and this is what we have been using to refresh our braids. It's the Kaleidoscope X the Brat. I used their foam and I also used their shine spray, and this literally took my braids to the next dimension. It defines the curls so good, it defines the synthetic hair so good, and it also gives a very nice sheen to the hair while also moisturizing my scalp because it does have things like coconut oil, manuka honey, and then I think like other different oils. I don't really know, don't quote me, but every single thing as far as moisturizing my scalp and conditioning that scalp is definitely in this product. So I just put that all throughout my scalp. I also ran it through to the ends of the hair just to define those curls a lot more, and it made those curls from YWIGS human hair pop so bomb. And then I'm gonna do my baby hairs. I'm gonna take this mousse, Death Mousse. It is a texture mousse, and I'm just gonna brush that through my baby hairs because I did not want my baby hairs super laid down, but I wanted them to be a little bit more defined. And then lastly, I'm gonna take another product from Kaleidoscope X the Brat, and this is their Platinum Shine Spray. And this also has a bunch of beneficial ingredients in it as far as moisturizing my scalp a lot further. And like I said, those two combos from Kaleidoscope was the things that I need to pop this hair out to no other. The curls are super defined, my scalp is nice and moisturized, and this has been the routine that I've been doing to refresh my braids every 4 to 5 days. So as far as this section of the video, I'm going to be showing y'all a few different styles that you can do with this hairstyle. It's things from high buns to half up, half downs to side part swoops. I'm just going to be showing y'all every single way I've been rocking my hair for the past couple of weeks. So definitely vibe out and see my little creations with this hair. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm just showing you guys all the down styles that I like to do, which is pretty much a middle part or a side to side part. Like I said, this is the most compliments I have gotten as far as my natural hair. This is my first time getting braids like this. I cannot believe it. My hair care routine as far as growing my hair back on my scalp has been really working because I'm finally able to feel secure with rocking my hair in braids like this and not feel super insecure about my fine thin edges. Make sure you guys check out my jet black dye video. I will link that in this video and down below, and also check out my PCOS hair care video if you guys are wondering about what I've been doing as far as my natural hair. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to YWIGS for sponsoring this video. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.